If you have a pool like this that's available to you, that is sometimes called the kiddie pool, it's the perfect place for you to learn to swim because it has this nice barrier. You know you're not going to drift out into deeper water. And you can also experiment with things like, if you're in this depth of water, you just know something might hit the bottom when you're practicing your float. Floating is not about being off the bottom, it's just about having the water hold you. So when we're in this nice little container like this, you might think, yeah, well of course my toes are going to drag on the bottom. It doesn't mean that I'm using the bottom. So we're going to do some samples of this. We get 3 students, they're sitting in the water, and we can start with, maybe let's just roll over and do our front floats right on the step there. You can have your hands on the step or your hands on the floor, and then you can push up when you want to breathe. So Lane is doing hers with tension in her body. Arms and legs out straight. Linda's holding her hands up off the step. Chris is letting his hands droop down. They're hitting the bottom, but it's not what's holding him up anymore. And his feet are nicely on the floor as feet tend to go down. Then he pushes up when he's ready to breathe. So let your shoulders drop, your hands drop. There we go.